Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I hope you are very well. This is my hometown, and you can see in front of me this is a playground. Once upon a time, I had been playing in this field with my friends. That is a uh, wonderful scenery you can see, and you can see in front of me this is my hometown road, and this is a muddy place, and you can see the sky is neat and clean, and it is a, you can see that is a tower of telephone. My village is wonderful. It is situated at Noakhali Hatia, to be more exact. Thank you very much.